If you recall, in last week's lesson, we talked about how to conjugate present and future tense verbs in the active mood. In this video, I'd like to provide you with a more concise look at how to conjugate future verbs specifically. The first verb we will look at is the verb akuo. Akuo means I hear. The first thing we do for akuo is to write out the lexical form of the verb, which is aku. We'll do that throughout the entirety of the paradigm, or conjugation. The next thing we do is to type out or to write out the future time morpheme, or the morpheme that indicates to us that this verb is in the future tense. That is the sigma. Sigma is the future time morpheme. We'll do that throughout the paradigm, just like we did with the lexical form. So now we have the lexical form, the future time morpheme, and we are missing one element, which is the person number suffix. We'll put those throughout the rest of the paradigm. We have O, ace, A. Here we have what's called a phonological cushion, or a neutral time morpheme. If you recall, the omicron comes before mu or nu, and our suffix is min as the mu. We have an omicron here. Then we have te as our ending, but we need the phonological cushion, an epsilon, which comes before any other letter other than mu or nu. Te. And our final person number suffix for the third plural is usin. Pronouncing these, we have akuso, akuses, akuse, akusamen, akusete, and akususin. This means I will hear, you will hear, he, she, or it will hear, we will hear, you will hear, they will hear. Moving down, we have the word blepo. Blepo means I see. This verb will be conjugated very similarly to the last one, but with a slight difference. With words that have their lexical form ending in p, beta, or phi, added to the future time morpheme, which is the sigma, changes to a psi. So like the previous example, let's go ahead and reproduce the entirety of our paradigm with the lexical form. Here we have blep, and now we add our future time morpheme throughout the paradigm, sigma, but we have a problem here, right? We have a P, which is up here, followed by a sigma, which is there. P plus sigma. So our rule is that the P plus sigma becomes the psi. So now we go through and we change that. the correct letter, C. Now what do we do from here? We add our person number suffixes. O, ace, a, that's your neutral morpheme or phonological cushion. Here's your ending, min. E, which is your phonological cushion or neutral morpheme. Te, which is the ending. And usen. So pronouncing, we have blepso, blepses, blepse, blepsamen, blepsete, blepsusen. Translating, we have I will see, you will see, he, she, or it will see, we will see, you will see, and they will see. Let's go to the next example. Here we have ago. For this rule, any word that ends in its lexical form with a kappa, gamma, or key and has the sigma added to it becomes a xi. Like the other examples, let's go ahead and reproduce the lexical form, which is ag. And now we will add our future time morpheme, which is the sigma. Sorry. And now, like the previous example, we have that problem. We have a gamma combined with a sigma. When we have the gamma plus the sigma, it becomes a xi. Let's go ahead and fix that. And we end by simply adding our person number suffixes. O, ace, a is your neutral morpheme, min, e is your neutral morpheme, te, and then usen. So pronouncing, we have oxo, oxes, oxe, oxamen, oxete, oxusen. I will lead, you will lead, he, she, or it will lead, we will lead, you will lead, they will lead. Finally, we have patho. In this example, we have a tau, delta, or theta that, when combined with the sigma, only leaves the sigma. So the tau, the delta, or the theta will fall out. Let's go ahead and reproduce lexical form throughout the paradigm. And now we'll add the future time morpheme, which is a sigma. we have that problem we keep talking about. The theta gets combined with the sigma, and in this instance, it just leaves the sigma. Finally, we have our person number suffixes. O, ace, A. Here is our phonological cushion or neutral time morpheme. And our person number suffix is min. Neutral morpheme. Our ending is te. And finally, we have usen. Pronouncing, we have peso, peses, pese, pesamen, pesete, pesusen. Translating, I will trust, you will trust, he, she, or it will trust, we will trust, you will trust, and they will trust. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, you can always ask them in the comment section or email me. Have a good day.